Welcome guys, so if you want to enter the pairing mode in your JBL Flip 6, at the first you have to rotate your device and find these two buttons. So as you can see in my case, the speaker is turned on, and to enter the pairing mode you have to tap once on this Bluetooth icon, just like that. As you can see and as you can hear, right now the Bluetooth icon is blinking and the speaker is making this sound, and it means that right now we are in the pairing mode. So what we can do, we can simply open the Bluetooth settings on our Android phone, enable Bluetooth by tapping on this switcher, and after a few seconds this speaker will appear on available devices list. So as you can see right now, we are simply able to connect the speaker with our Android phone, the iPhone, or any other iOS device, or for example the Windows PC. So simply enable pairing mode to get connection between any Bluetooth devices. That's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.